Looking to roll a position? To roll a position, head to the Positions tab. First, click the symbol for the position you want to roll. Once selected, right-click anywhere in the highlighted area. Here, you have two rolling options. Quick Roll will line up a rolling order to the next expiration. Roll will display the next 4 expirations, as well as the mid price of the roll. Let's roll this position into the next monthly expiration. After clicking the next monthly expiration, you will be sent to the Trade tab. An order ticket will appear below. Here you can see the effect of your order and enter your rolling price. After you have entered your order, click Review and Send. Here you can review your trade. To make revisions to the order, click Edit Order, or to clear the order entirely, click Clear Order. Otherwise, if you're ready to send the order, then click the Send Order button. Your order is now live and working.